Hi, this is Arlene for my Mozart, my Trazom. With some pigeons. Oh, what a life. Hey, great. It's at one of the New York public libraries. It's very hard to find any water fountains here in New York. So these guys actually lucked out. They have to learn how to dub these things. Oven to share, oven to share, sharing to sharing. That's awesome, eh? Don't listen to the background noise. It's too much. Good thing they can actually keep very, 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 very. There's one up there, you see, on the shoulder of the statue. He's underneath the net. I'm not even sure if he can get out of there. Yeah. Sorry, trying to back out some bad noise in the white. There we go, there we go, there we go. Don't listen.